Now he's going to empty the core. Hang on, Rita. I'll help you out. Oh, that's all right. I could have got here quicker and helped you out a little.
Oh, it's all right.
They're building some power transformers for us.
Is that what they're doing?
Yeah, if the voltage goes down, the transformer kicks the voltage up. If the voltage goes up, it kicks the voltage back down. It stabilizes it.
Oh, okay. That's nice. That's a big old digger they got there.
Oh, it's got this big around.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Yeah.
They were going through solid granite for about 1.5 feet.
Oh my God.
And I finally broke through.
Wow. That's a job.